Hey everyone, so today we are embarking on an exceptional journey throughout the Hudson Valley. Why is this unique? Because the entire day was planned by an AI model called ChatGPT. So let's go see where our digital tour guide takes us. Our day starts here at the Thomas Cole National Historic Site, a true tribute to American art history. The site preserves the home of famous artist Thomas Cole. Today, we're just soaking in the atmosphere of the lovely grounds with the artist's original building standing proudly against the backdrop of a beautiful garden and a majestic maple tree. Next, our agenda is a hike around the impressive Catterskill Falls, one of New York's highest waterfalls. As we navigate the trails, we're treated to stunning vistas of the waterfall and the surrounding valley. We even venture on a challenging path leading to Inspiration Point, a journey that's as beautiful as it is rigorous. After an invigorating hike, it's time for lunch. Originally, ChatGPT suggested Circle W Market, but a quick check showed it was unfortunately closed on Tuesdays. So here we are at Wonder Bar Bistro in Hudson, feasting on a delicious BLT sandwich and fries. Post-lunch, we head to Art Omi, an art center boasting a 120-acre park filled with outdoor sculptures. Each installation here is unique, captivating, and often interactive, making this visit a visual treat. My personal favorite was a sculpture made of basketball hoops, and from afar it looks like a tree. After many tries, I eventually got a basket. After a short break, we dive back into the local scene for dinner at WM Farmer & Sons in Hudson, joined by fellow artists and residents, Hillary and Charlotte. We enjoy an eclectic spread of dishes, cocktails, and conclude the meal with a delightful banana custard tart. So, as we wrap up our day, it's clear this has been a rewarding experience. Yes, we faced some minor hiccups due to opening hours, but ChatGPT handled it all seamlessly, offering alternative experiences as needed. So here's to more AI-supported adventures in the future. Thanks for joining us on this journey.